Hi everyone and welcome back to Money Experiment PH. For today's video, we are going to show how ING PH computes for the interest they pay out to the depositors. If you're not fond of numbers, it might be a little challenging and you may also think, why do we need to know how it is computed? But knowing these kinds of details will surely help you in comparing investment products and making decisions in the future. So let's get right into it. I found that banks adopt different but similar formulas in computing their interest. So, what formula is being used by INGPH? Doing a quick search will lead you to this information, which can be found in their website via FAQs. I actually tried to make sense of this formula by computing the interest payout I received based on my transaction history in the application. What I found out is that the interest I actually got from ING is less than what I computed. I couldn't match the figure, so I sought the help of their customer service. It turned out the period that ING is using for computation is from the last day of the previous month to the day before the last day of the current month. For example, for June interest payment, they will compute for daily ending balance from May 31st to June 30. To explain further, here is the spreadsheet where you can see in the first column is date, second column is the day of the week, third column is the daily ending balance. Fourth column is daily interest earned according to the formula. According to the formula which shows here, the daily interest is computed by their balance at the end of the day, multiplied to interest rate, and divided by number of days in a year. Since 2020 is a leap year, we are dividing it by 366. And the total daily interest earned for the month is paid out to the depositor at 11 p.m. on the last day of the month. This is the computation for June interest payout. One thing to note here, which I marked with red box. So the ING app says that I deposited 4,000 on June 10, 2020, but if you check the calculation from the customer service, the 4,000 pesos deposited was not reflected as of June 10. I think what happened here is that there is a settlement delay between the banks. If I check my BPI account, which is the source of money that is deposited in my ING account, it shows the transaction date is at June 11, 2020. So for our peace of mind, we can just think that there might be 1 to 2 days delay with the bank settlement for our transfers. So for gross interest, we can just sum up all the daily interest. To get net interest, we must deduct the 20% withholding tax. After this, you can now see that we have finally have the same computed amount as the actual amount I got from ING Bank. So some people may say, why am I wasting time computing the interest which the bank will automatically compute for me? Well, I consider it as a practice to know about money. This kind of knowledge will help you when you compute for dividend computation, ROI of your future investment, or even computing your loan interest, or simply choosing a savings bank account from different banks. So let's learn together. So this is it for the video today. Until the next video, please be safe and hope to see you soon. Goodbye!